Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2011 Subaru Outback, and in this video I'd like to show you how to take off your front driver's side door panel. So let's open the door, and over here I'm just going to remove the key. Over here we have a door panel which we're going to take off. So first thing we're going to do, we'll have to open two caps. This cap right here. Just take a screwdriver. Once I'll show you in a second. And this cap right here. So we take a screwdriver and carefully try not to scratch anything. Just unclick it. Okay, there we have a screw. Same thing here. I'm gonna put screwdriver inside and carefully, using two hands and screwdriver, we're gonna open it. Okay. So we open this and don't lose the cap, we'll reuse it later, and get these two screws out. Okay, now right now we should take this cap off just like this. It holds by one clip, and right now the panel is being held down by clips all around the perimeter. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab somewhere here and pull, just carefully, slightly up like this. You want to use two hands when you do this. Put you guys here. Okay, so I unput the panel and now we just raise it up. Almost lost the thing. And one clip fell out. Here we have links connected to the handle. We just remove them by pulling on it and pull it out like this. Pull and take it out. Right. Remove this connector. And the light on the bottom. Okay, and rest the door somewhere here. Okay. All right. So now you have access to whatever you have to change, and once you're done doing it, let's put the panel back on. So right now, over here I have a clip that fell out when I was taking the panel off, and over here, this is the place where it fell out. So we're just gonna put the clip back in and put the panel on. So to do so, we're gonna do the same procedure. Connect light on the bottom. Connect this connector. Connect links to the handle. And okay, now to put the panel back on, easiest way is we have to put the top first. Okay, we're just gonna put the top. It slides on it. Right? After that, we're gonna find where the clip should go. Okay, so this clip you can see there. Just tap on it. Once you have one clip, usually you have all clips aligned, and just tap on it and it's in place. Close this lid. Yeah, and get two screws we took out earlier, 1 and 2, and put them in here and here. Make sure that the holes are aligned. If they are not aligned, it's not gonna work out, and it means something's crooked. Okay, so put these two screws back in. I got my screws in. Now I'll take the caps, just put the cap in and close it. Same thing here. Take the cap, put it in, and close it, and you're all set. As you can see, it's very simple procedure. And hope this video helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.